Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I will show you a easy and a simple method to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. And in this process, all your data, all your personal files and all your softwares you have in your system will remain safe. So there will be no data loss, there will be no software loss in this simple method. So click on your Windows icon, then click on this settings option. Now you will see this option, update and security. Click on it. Now on the right side you will see this option, see if it's ready to install. Click on it. So this will check if your system is available for Windows 11 or not. You have to wait for few seconds or few minutes. And here at the top you can see this PC can run Windows 11. So that means your PC is compatible for Windows 11. And here you can see the option of install, download and install Windows 11. So you have to simply click on this option, download and install, and this will take around half an hour and this will upgrade your system from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So this is a easy and a practical method to upgrade from your Windows 10 to Windows 11. So try this, and this is all for the video. Thank you.